This is going to be a video tutorial on how to display file extensions in Windows 11. Let me jump over to my desktop here. Okay, I'm on my desktop now. I have a folder open here, and inside of my folder I have an image, and as you can see, the name below my image, it does not include the file extension here. This is actually a .png. Somehow, mysteriously, my file name extensions got turned off. This is a very easy fix, though. The way to fix this, I'm going to minimize that folder. I'm going to go down to the search bar in the taskbar. I'm going to put my mouse cursor in there, and I'm going to type File Explorer. Then I'm going to go up to the top up here. You could either click here, or you could go over here and click here. I'm going to click over here to open File Explorer. Now my File Explorer is opened. At the top up here, you want to click on View. Then you want to go down to the bottom and place your mouse cursor over Show. Then you'll slide straight off to the right, and you want to go down to where it says File Name Extensions. Click on that. Now if I reopen that folder, you can see it has the name of my file, .png. It's showing the file name extension now. That is how to turn on your file extensions in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.